Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is July the 3rd, 2020. This is our update in Cardano. Real quick, wanted to come and show you all our expectations. You guys can already see that Cardano exploded the last couple of days. And now we're trying to see what's going to happen next. So you guys are at a definitely good location. We're going to give it to you in a very understanding way and simple, just to try to give you all a heads up as to what the market trapper is going to try to do for this particular currency, Cardano. Now this currency, it has been in a very good uptrend. I mean, many cryptocurrencies in the market so far has been trading lackadaisical, has been stagnant, has not seen any interest. But Cardano, on the other hand, is definitely the outlier in the market in terms of trending. This currency here is definitely in a bullish trend. All right, so before I get started in our forecast, I always want to remind each and every one of you, this is your first time here, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost a lot for you all to do that, just a little bit of your time just to hit those buttons on this platform, just to make sure that you all stay updated on our price moves. We're here to show you the expectations of the market trapper before he actually gets there, so you guys can get your profitability out the market, because he's trying to take your money and you need to do vice versa and try to take it back from him. So let's talk about this real quick. Generally, you guys can see our last time we did our video Cardano was on June the 30th. We had an expectation of this currency moving higher in price, and it did that. Simple, right? So right there around 8.5 cents, we had our TP. So you at least should have got 3.5% out this market from our analysis, which was completed and done on June the 30th. Now, just for happenstance, let's say you're still in the market right now and you were to get out right now where Cardano last traded, you'll be up 18.75% based off what we saw into the market on the 30th. Okay, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. And we need to understand and talk about the market in Cardano. We're going to readjust these lines because the market has broken out of that trend. So it is not following that trend anymore. You can see the next area here. This is going to be the next huge area for the trap in order for him to maintain that strength in Cardano. It's right there around 10 cents. All right, so this is the next area that we need to focus, because you can tell in the background of this chart back in, it's been almost a year. It's been a year since the market in Cardano has traded at this particular level. You guys can see what occurred. We fell down. This time we're trying to retest it. Easy. Okay, so we need to focus on Cardano on a weekly time frame to see what the market is going to do at that level around 10 cents. Okay, so we still have, you guys can see right here on the right side, 2 days and 9 hours left before this bar ends. Now if the bar was to end today, I will be definitely looking for this trap to continue to push the value of Cardano higher in price, well above and away from 10 cents. Next likely area is going to be 12. Okay, monthly time frame, you guys can see here, contention is going to be had at this level. So playing Cardano on a daily time frame, you can see here that we are still tagging that particular level right now. The market is still relatively strong in Cardano, no doubt about it. The market looks real good in the sense of Cardano continue to move higher in price. I want to look at this on an hour time frame, and yeah, the strength is still being used. So we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Cardano, but market support definitely needs to be had right there. Okay, 9.5 cents is where the market support needs to be maintained. I want to bring that down just there, right there around 9.5. Okay, so we're gonna hold that support there into the market in Cardano. The strength is still there. I'm not going to be oblivious to the fact that the market weakness cannot come through right now, because like I said, this area is a huge contention of weakness. Okay, so we're going to play this on the daily time frame for Cardano, and we're going to play it. Let's zoom out to see if we could get some restriction. So right there around that, I'm gonna bring it to 10.5 cents for for the next move. Okay, so we're gonna play this on the daily time frame in Cardano. I'm still seeing indication that the strength is being played, but when I look here in the background, the next area of restriction is right now. The market may try to tag up a little bit higher from where we are at today. 10.5 cents, maybe even 11 cents is where we're going to look for the market in Cardano to try to come and tag. Okay, so this is relatively simple to see and understand. We're going to show you all the expectations of the trap is to continue to play the move higher in Cardano, and this is it. So all we need to do is just sit back and watch the trap continue to play out his forecast, his trend, what he wants to do, and we'll see what occurred in the performance. Make sure you always maintain a profitability. I'll see you all on the next one.